Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we will explain about the direction field.
Before that, let us introduce ourselves.
So the first, my name is Aida Sama with ID number 081.
And me, Siti Malihatusania, with ID number 114.
And the last is me, Ayur Fasara with ID number 133.
Okay, for the question is, in each of the following problems, throw a direction field for the given differential equation. Based on the direction field, determine the behavior of y as t into infinite. If this behavior depends on the initial value of y at t is equal to 0. Describe this dependency. Note that the right side of this equation depend on t as well as y. Therefore, their solution can exhibit more complicated behavior than those in the text. Y prime plus dy is equal to t plus e over power 2t.
For the solution, we write y prime plus 3y equals to t plus exponent to the power of 2t. And then y prime is equal to t plus exponent to the power of 2t minus 3y. Then the integral of dy over dt equals to the integral of t plus exponent to the power of 2t minus 3y dt. Then y is equal to a half t squared plus a half exponent to the power of dt minus 3yt plus c. Then we move the minus 3yt to the left side, and it becomes y plus 3yt equals to a half t squared plus a half exponent to the power of 2t plus c. Then y times 1 plus 3t equals to a half times t squared plus e to the power of 2t plus c. Then it becomes y equals to t squared plus exponent to the power of 2t plus c over 2. 2 times 1 plus 3t. Then y is equals to t squared plus e exponent to the power of 2t over 2 plus 6t plus c. With exponent to the power of 2t is not equal to 0. 2 plus 6t is not equal to 0. Then t is not equal to minus 2 over 6. Then t is not equal to negative 1 over 3. Then the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 0. And the vertical asymptote is 3. T is equal to the negative 1 over 3.
Okay, next is we have to finding the gradient. We know that the gradient is the first derivative of y. So we can find the gradient y prime by using substitution y into the equation. In here, we choose t equals to 0 and we choose y equals to negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. For the first, y equals to negative 2. In here, we get y prime equals to t plus exponential to the power 2t minus 3y equals to 0 plus exponential to the power 2 times 0 minus 3 times negative 2 equals to 7. For y equals to negative 1, we get y prime equals to t plus exponential to the power 2t minus 3y equals to 0 plus exponential to the power 2 times 0 minus 3 times negative 1 equals to 4. For y equals to 0, we get y prime equals to t plus e to the power 2t minus 3y equals to 0 plus exponential to the power 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0, so equals to 1. For y equals to 1, we get y prime equals to t plus exponential to the power 2t minus 3y equals to 0 plus exponential to the prime 2 times 0 minus 3 times 1 equals to negative 2. So for y equals to 2, we get y prime equals to t plus e to the power 2t t minus 3y equals to 0 plus exponential to the power 2 times 0 minus 3 times 2 equals to negative 5. The next is we have to find the direction field. So after we calculate the differentiation or we calculate the gradient, so from the before calculation, we know that we choose t equal to 0 and we choose y equals to negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So we can see from the table in the left side, if we choose t equal to 0 and we choose y equal to negative 2, it will be result y prime or the gradient is equal to 7. And if we choose t equal to 0 and y equal to negative 1, we get the result y prime or the gradient is equal to 4. And if we choose t equal to 0 and y equal to 0, we will get the result y prime equal to 1. And if we choose t equal to 1, y equal to 1, then we get the result y prime equal to negative 2. And for the last, if we choose t equal to 0 and y equal to 2, it will be result y prime equals to negative 5. So after that, we can find the direction field. But in here, we can see, and in the right side, the direction field that our group have been discussed before. In here, to find the direction field, our group use the direction field explorer website in online website. So we can see that there are two graphs in the above and in the below. In the above, this in here we can see that after we find or we calculate the asymptote, we have the vertical asymptote is t equals to negative 1 over t. So we can see that the graph will be approaching t equals to negative t. I mean t equals to negative 1 over 3. But since we have calculated the asymptote horizontal asymptote is y equal to 0, so we can see that the direction field or the graph will approach y equal to 0. So in here, what is the function of the table? We can see it is have relation of the direction field. So in here we see that if we choose t equal to 0 and y equal to negative 1, y prime, it is represent positive 4. So we can see in the right side that the direction field will be positive. So in here we can see if t equal to 0, y equal to negative 2, it will be positive. So it also means that if we choose t equal to 0, y equal to 2, the direction field will be negative since t equal to 0, y equals to y equals to negative 5.
Okay, I think enough from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.